ain't letting it cut. I really beat nigga ass on his gang in that bitch.
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The latest, don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked out to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe it go vroom.
YouTube, what's good? Thanks for OhThatsBrando, and I'm back with another video for y'all today, man. Hey man, it's lit. Nice sunny day in Atlanta. Got a little car meet going on out here. A little, car meet, car show. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, man. But while you here, bro, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We wanna roll to 5K. I just hit 3K. So we got 2 more thousand and you're gonna help me get there. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video. It's free to do that, bro. It's free to subscribe and it's free to like the video, bro. Like, that's crazy. And drop a comment. Let me know what hot car you see out here. I heard supposed to be some nice, dope cars out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. You know what I'm saying? While I'm out here, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's out here and shit. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like this video, god damn. And like this video, I'm hungry as hell, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab something to eat first. Then I'm gonna goddamn push up on these folks. So shit, go ahead and hit this video, man. I'm gonna turn it back on, yes sir.
Ooh, I was going off.
Oh man, it's bad. Like, look at these niggas. Look at them. Look at them. They all buddy happy. Look at them. They happy and shit. They happy and shit. Stupid ass. Oh, that he got pulled over too. Oh, that's the one that had passed us. Damn. Look at these niggas. Happy as hell. Lame at happy as hell. Damn. Alright, bro. I just touched down, bro. It's thick. It's thick as hell out here. But I know they about to start playing their music, so I gotta goddamn get some B-rolls. Cause they gonna monetize the hell out of this video. Oh God. That shit hard.
Yeah, finna talk my shit, hey, let's go. Let's go, hey, on some side of shit. I might kick the bitch out, but won't fight the bitch. Hey, I'm focused on my bread, so you know young nigga really just can't wipe the bitch. Hey, just been over, straight pipe the bitch. If I catch her, I was on sight of shit. Hey, young nigga ain't doing no fine shit. Hey, shit skirt out, don't I ain't right this shit, let's go. Hey, back to the base. Hey, when we link, don't talk, get naked. Hey, say I got a pretty ass bitch with a big ass boom. When she walk up, shit be shaking. Can't fuck these hoes be base. Don't ever for shit, bitch, can't get naked. Hey, nigga be feeling like no, just know I'm safe. Just play me a beat, I'm a rake. Hey, say I'm sick and tired of these fuck niggas. Hey, nigga about mad cause I got more money. Hey, coming that down when the stick get clap. Hey, switch on the Glock so you know the bitch rap. These niggas be talking, ain't fuck around in the car. Hey, these niggas be broke, they walk. Hey, say I'm a bust down my mouth and my teeth on floss. Hey, going crazy on this bitch, I done lost. Hey, say I'm going crazy on this bitch, I done lost. Bro tried to pay me the bitch, but I tossed. Hey, I don't want the bitch cause my bitch ass fat way soft. If a nigga spit shit like this, I talk. Hey, if a nigga come hard on this bitch, I applaud. Let's go, hey, let's go, hey, let's go, hey. Hey, say let's go. Talk about money, got plenty. Hey, fuck nigga, you exchange. Hey, since a young nigga, I been out here getting. Hey, I don't drink my pour some Henny. Hey, say I don't fuck with these niggas, I ain't friends. Same nigga that's close now, look at they envy. Hey, I ain't never let keep that bitch in my britches. If a nigga over this bitch, I leave ass sense. Hey, say these fuck nigga be washed up. I'ma shoot they lame. Hey, say I ain't scratch. Fuck nigga better not test. Hey, little nigga play, I'ma teach my lesson. Fuck nigga bro be itch for a pat like say young slime in him so the Jace. Hey, say let's go. Hey, hop on the beat, not run. Hey, say I fuck on the bitch from the back. Hey, yeah, these niggas be broke, they ain't getting no money. If I hop out this bitch and you know the wrong say I'ma talk my shit in this bitch. Hey, run up on corn, get hit with a stick. And this bitch ain't stock, got tits in this bitch. Hey, that's how I go, I'ma talk my shit, let's go. Hey. Hey, let that shit ride, tub. Hey. Let's do it. Hey. Hey, I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ. Ayy, fuck on you bitch, cut her out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay. Ayy, chop to his head like a 10 fade. Ayy, nigga be talking, ain't killed nothing. Ayy, creep on the block like a hobo. Ayy, told the boy link up, you know he a no show. Bitch suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch ass she love him, I told the bitch no. Bitch ass she love him, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in that bitch going hard, get my rocks off. Swing stick just like taco. Ayy, don't try me, you know I'ma pop out. Ayy, she can get hot like hot sauce. Ayy, and you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let do it. I don't fuck with these niggas, they hoe. Crying about that bitch, cause it bitch fuck the bro. Free bitch suck this bitch, curl my toe, have emotion, paper, rolls. I got the shit on lock in control. Hey, when I get rich, rock out the show. Hey, got quiet in the back of the bitch with the pole. Too much paper in my pocket, won't fold. Hey, too much paper in pocket from the bus. I ain't with all the talking, I ain't even finna fuss. Hey, keep the bitch, I told the bitch catch the bus. Can't name that bitch, I trust. Hey, I got the gas, what you want, you a 3-5. My nigga step good, just like some knee high. Hiding in the crib like a beehive. Hey, walk down on the all smooth as some feet. I had to drop out of school cause I want me some paper. Plane get stepped on like escalator. Hey, fuck nigga play, leave him stink like a neighbor. Nigga stay watch your car, my will call me cable. I ain't got it, you broke, can't do you a favor. On the barber, why cause I give you a tape. Got a thick ass bitch in the room giving face. Bitch won't relate, I told the bitch I'm play. I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ. Fuck on your bitch, cut her out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay. Hey, chop to your head like a 10 fade. Nigga be talking, ain't killed nothing. Creep on the block like a hobo. Told the boy link up, you know he a no show. Bitch suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch no. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in this bitch going hard, get my Ross off. Swing stick just like taco. Don't try me, you know I'ma pop out. She can get hot like hot sauce. And you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let's do it. These niggas be pussy, let's do it. Creep on the block like a hobo. Tell the boy link up, you know so. Let's do it.
RTs and scat pad Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming, yeah. RTs and scat pad Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, hold up. I came in, I'm doing the most. Doing donuts to bring out the host. Call her Brando, we bring out the host. Finna give me some mail in my row. In the Jeep pulling up with them creepers. With the whip and they hitting the blinker. Got the pack and you know it's a stinker. Had to be down the block with them beaters. Hottest got in a bitch, I'm a spoiler. Had to switch out the engine and spoiler. I was higher than high on mezzanines. Had to hit the little cruise like Penelope. Hold up, shout it, you gon' get this work. Big track hawk with the carbon skirts. You get 2 fingers like it's upper skirt. Burning out, all your hair was skirt. RTs and scat pad Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming. RTs and scat pad Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming, yeah. RTs and scat pad Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming, yeah. RTs and scat pads and them skirt. LS.
Go crazy.
Let's get some Diddy. Let's get some.
Say, ooh, pop it.
Give me more, Diddy. Give me more.
I ate too many Percocets and now I can't pronounce. When I spin the op block, it unannounced. I'm a blue devil, but I'm sneaky like a mouse. I got naked bitches cooking in my trap house. Your baby mama say you broke, but Poppy, I'm the man. Thought ass in my pants, skinny jeans like Peter Pan. That AR hit your tater, make you feel like Jackie Chan. I got sticks and I got drums like I'm in the band. You running when you shoot, logo the Poppy never ran. I just fucked the tatted model bit on OnlyFans. The way she ate that dick up, oh my god, she's a 10. My baby mama hate my good, she keep my car again. Toxic energy, I'm so petty, I fucked a friend. Loco gon' fuck a friend. Yeah. Look, if you diss the set, I swear to God, bitch, we gon' spin. Steppin' on these niggas, if we miss, we spin again. Low out full of bricks, we got white and we got tan. BB's on my neck, it cost a check, it's more than 10. I'm fucking it, hoe for a check. Freaking little bitch, give me neck. I fuck the little hoe, make her sweat. She riding this dick like a vet. And
when you suck on the dick, you better do it correct. I nut on the face of the chest. Her sister swoop, she next. They hate that I'm popping my shit. I might just go buy me a bitch. I already iced up my neck. I might as well ice up my wrist. I made a plan, I hit me a blitz. You cuffing that hoe, I'm fucking that bitch. I'm young with a vision, I'm trying to get rich. I signed me a deal, now I'm popping my shit. Bitch.
Hey, let that shit ride, Tub. Hey. Let's do it. Hey. Hey, I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ, ayy. Fuck on you, bitch, cut out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay, ayy. Hey, chop to your head like a 10 fade, ayy. Nigga be talking, ain't killed nothing, ayy. Creep on the block like a hobo, ayy. Told the boy link up, you know he a no-show. Bitch, suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch no. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in it big going hard, get my rocks off. Swing stick just like taco, ayy. Don't try me, you know I'ma pop out, ayy. She can get hot like hot sauce, ayy. And you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let's do it. I don't fuck with these niggas, they hoe. Crying about that bitch, cause it bitch fuck the bro. Free bitch suck this bitch, curl my toe, have emotion, paper, rolls. I got this shit on lock, in control. Hey, when I get rich, rock out the show. Hey, got quiet in the back and it bitch with the pole. Too much paper in my pocket, won't fold. Hey, too much paper in my pocket finna bust. I ain't with all the talking, I ain't even finna fuss. Hey, keep the bitch, I told the bitch catch the bus. Can't name that bitch, I trust. Hey, I got the gas, what you want, you a 3-5. My nigga step good, just like some knee high. Hide in the crib like a beehive. Hey, walk down on the all smooth as some feet. I had to drop out of school cause I want me some paper. Plane get stepped on like escalator. Hey, fuck nigga play, leave him stink like a neighbor. Nigga stay watch your corner mile with call me cable. I ain't got it, you broke, can't do you a favor. On the barber, why cause I give you a tape. Got a thick ass bitch in the room giving face. Bitch won't relate, I told the bitch I'm play. I'm a smooth ass nigga like MJ, ayy. Fuck on you bitch, cut out like a sensei. Nigga be broke, it's a rent pay, ayy. Hey, chop to your head like a 10 fade, ayy. Nigga be talking, ain't killed nothing, ayy. Creep on the block like a hobo, ayy. Told the boy link up, you know he a no-show. Bitch suck the dick, ride the dick like a pogo. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch no. Bitch said she love me, I told the bitch fuck off. I'm in it big going hard, get my rocks off. Swing stick just like taco, ayy. Don't try me, you know I'ma pop out, ayy. She can get hot like hot sauce, ayy. And you know I keep a stick like Bush. I don't fuck with these niggas be pussy, let's do it. Ayy, these niggas be pussy, ayy. Let's do it, ayy. Creep on the block like a hobo, ayy. Tell the boy nigga, you know so, ayy. Let's do it, ayy.
Man, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. It was a whole lot of good cars and a whole lot of BBLs. Good God almighty, boy. I ain't know to look at the cars and look at the cheeks. They was showing out, boy. I ain't gonna lie. They were definitely showing out, bro. All them BBLs, man, it made no goddamn sense, man. Shout out to everybody that showed me love, man. You know what I'm saying? I know I was recording, so I couldn't get no full conversation with you, but it was a lot of love out here, man. So I'm hungry as hell, bro. So I had to take a break, man. I'm starving. I don't know if I want some fish. I don't know what I want. Burgers. I don't know. Barbecue. I don't know. But I know I'm, god damn, focus, twin. Focus. There you go. All right, we back focused, man. Yeah, so I said, bro, I'm hungry as shit, so I'm gonna find me something to eat. But it's a lot of, man, a lot of BBLs and a lot of good cars, man. Like, it was best of the both worlds, if you ask me. Like, so hit that subscribe button, man. I'll grab me something to eat, so I'm gonna turn back on once I make my mind up. So let's go. Nah, no cap. I had to pull up on a JJ's. So yeah, one of my favorite places to eat at in the city of Atlanta. It's a big ass menu, as you can see. So I'm gonna turn back on once I make my mind up. I'm feeling that 20 piece, but we're gonna see. Yes, sir. All right, twin. So I made it to the crib, man. You know, so we got a little bit of K&J, man. The best the best meal you can eat in Atlanta, bro. To me, personally. I know there's some other places, but got the chicken wings, you know what I'm saying, with the crack sauce on there, got the shrimp, you got the fries, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a little bit of 2K until the gang hit me there. I think we're supposed to be linking up later on to go hoop. I'm gonna bust their ass, so I'm gonna just eat this and, you know, wait till they hit me up. I'm gonna turn it back on, yes sir. Boy, that food got me lazy in the motherfucker. But hey man, I'm here, man. We at the court. I see a couple people out here hooping, man. So we're gonna come out and see what the guys doing, man. See who balling, who whatnot. I mean, I come out here and hoop, man. You know, I come out here and drop a triple-double on these folks, but as you see, I don't got that on right now, man. I'm on some chill shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, let the guys showcase their talent, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if they got it or not, so let's go ahead and see what these boys got, man. Niggas outside. But why the fuck Draco don't have no fucking shirt on? Like, need a fucking shirt on, bro. Nigga need a bra on. We gonna see what these boys doing though, man. But we outside though with it. You feel me? How many points you gonna give me, bro? How many points you gonna give me, bro?
Man, bro, them niggas, bro, that nigga caught talking about he got next and shit, bro. Like,
so you not even on?
Yeah, bro, I ain't even shooting though. I ain't even letting nigga cut. I really beat nigga ass on here, bro. Yeah, bro, for the basketball game? You got that right, bro. Niggas for the YouTube video. Nigga, I woke up out my sleep to do this shit, bro.
Me and my nigga was late, though.
Me, no, I was late in the morning.
He said 5 o'clock. No fucking cap. He gon'
Nigga said 3:30.
Nigga gonna tell us, hey, everybody get up at 3:30. Right. Whole time, this nigga, he out in Atlanta somewhere, in fucking Marietta, picking some shoes up. Niggas get out at 3:30 and shit.
You gonna
this nigga ain't even down here.
Bro, nigga, when you late, everything just happen. It be better, bro.
Right.
Feel me? Look, I'm late. Everybody late around this motherfucker. Listen, he gotta understand.
And you showed up and you ain't play like nothing.
We not on his time. Right. Like, the nigga don't give a fuck about nobody else tonight but him. Right. That sounds just like a nigga for real. Hey, bro, you gotta be on time, bro. You gotta be on time, bro.
What was you gonna say if we was late?
They gotta ball up, though.
He wasn't gonna say nothing because he was
Boy,
gonna
we're
be
late. How you fuck you throw a vent and you be late? We gotta get right, though.
I know the fuck you wouldn't.
Gotta make those, gang. Gotta make them.
Bro, I told you 3:30.
820. Hey, bro, I need a triple double, bro. Don't tell me all right, bro. You don't come out here and give it to me, bro. All right. Say no more. You heard that, bro. Bro said he gonna give me a triple double. Let me take the big ass book bag off. He said he gonna give me a triple double, bro. We gonna see if he gonna get it to me or not. No cap. Oh, how you missed that? God damn. I'm like, bro, Draco need to put on the shirt, bro. Nigga titty just hanging. All right, bro. That's strike one, bro. That's strike one, nigga. Shot an air ball. Oh, God, that's strike one. Oh, he just made it back. Bro just made it back. Bro, that's my boy right there, man. I need a dunk, though. Draco, put on the fucking shirt. Titties just, titties all over the place. Oh, shit. Oh, that boy Draco just hit that bit. That boy Draco just hit that hole. I ain't gonna lie, I'm talking mad shit about nigga. He just drained that bit. That boy happy right there, boy. That boy happy. That boy happy as fuck. Hell no. Hey. That bitch still shaking. Gang in that bit. Hey! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That boy just snapped. You still need a shirt on. Hey, bro, how you feel, bro? How you feel, bro? You was 2 for 3, bro.
I said I would get back on the court. I was gonna pop my shit.
Yes, sir.
What I say? Bro, let my cash.
That bitch stupid, boy. That bitch dumb as hell, man. Oh God. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? You opening thunders. Rich guy. What you doing, bro? You gotta give me a bucket now, bro. Go get the ball. Nas, what do you? Look at this nigga right here, ain't doing shit. Yeah. Hey, true. You just play your role. What the fuck was that? Alright, man, that's it for the day, man. That's a day with Brando, man. So you saw a little bit of everything when I go out through the day, man. I wish I would have hooped, though. I ain't gonna lie. I wish I would have hooped. I know I'm getting older, so I know them ankles and these knees ain't gonna be the same as I was when I was in high school, but I feel like I still got it in me, man. So appreciate you for watching the video, man. Hit that subscribe button, like this video. We're on the road to 5K. We already at 3, so we need 2 more K. And you subscribe are gonna help me get there. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment. Thank you for watching. Brando out.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.